How to activate Bank of America credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Bank of America credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll do is simply type in activate Bank of America credit card. After we search for that, you can see activating your credit card option on Bank of America. So open that up, and after you do that, there you can see different ways you can activate your Bank of America credit card. First is, if you already have an online banking, all you have to do is simply sign in, and it can speed up the activation process. So tap on this sign in to online banking, and it will take you to a sign in page for your credit card. So right here you'll need to type in your email address or user ID, and finally your password, and then tap on login to log in into your account. And after you logged in, your card will get activated. Again, if you don't have an account, you can enroll in online banking as well, and you're good to go. And those are the ways you can activate your credit card. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.